Hello friends, in this video, question answer of 12 lesson Home Remedies of Simple Illness. See, first question, what the solution? Question, Hens is in the 4th standard in a school in Mumbai. One day, on her way home, she was hit by a moving vehicle. She fell down and became unconscious. Her leg was also badly injured. Answer: the first thing to be done is to take injured Helen to the nearest hospital or clinic. While taking her to hospital, care should be taken not to disturb her injured leg. Also, efforts are to be made to bring her back to consciousness by sprinkling some water on her face. After rushing her to hospital, she should undergo immediate treatment by the doctor on duty. Then her family members should be contacted. Every care is to be taken to make Helen feel safe and secure. Next question. Question B. Use your brain power. First question. For what purpose is to extract or Vaska leaves useful? See, answer. The extract of Vaska leaves is a remedy of cure cough and cold. Question number 2. What are the signs which tell you that someone has cold? Answer. Sign of cold. First, runny nose. Second, mild nagging headache. Third, nose and eyes are reddened. Fourth, breathing become difficult. They may be choking. Congestion in the nose. Fifth, there is body and personal does not feel fine. 6. Mild low fever may be felt, etc. Question number 3. What is the balm used for? Answer. Balm give some relief in headache, body or any kind of pain. When balm is applied, there is feeling of heat. This make the person feel better. The painful part get soothing effort. Applying balm is the home remedy for general ache and pain. Question number 4. What tell you that temperature of someone who had a fever is coming down? Answer. When a person temperature is coming down, he start sweating, there is feeling of warm and he feel better. If you touch the person forehead, the temperature of the body appear to be normal. Question C. Complete the table. She give below are the name of some diseases and illness. First, cold, chikungunya, malaria, bruising, stomach ache, stomach upset, typhoid, scorched fingers, sprained ankle. Determine which of these get cured quickly and which one to do not, and complete the following table. See, answer. Get a cured quickly. Quick बरे होणारे cold, bruising, stomach upset, scorched finger and sprained ankle. And do not get cured quickly. Chikungunya, malaria, and typhoid also. Question D. Answer the brief. First question. Why did Sakhu get a throat ache? Answer. Sakhu ate cold ice cream. That is why she got a throat ache. Question number 2. When Tai had jaundice, for how long did the doctor advise to take complete rest? Answer. The Tai have jaundice. The doctor advised her to take complete rest for 3 weeks. Question number 3. What is the home remedy for cold? Answer. The home remedy for cold is taking hot fomentation on the chest region. Also, one can inhale steam and bedtime. Question number 4. Should one take medicine that must to swallowed without doctor advice? Answer. One should never take any medicine that must to swallow without doctor advice. Question E. Filling the blanks. First, Tai's eye had become yellow. Second, knowing that it was a that had bitten him, Sripati was very frightened. Answer. Snake. Third, one must wash and a on before applying tincture of oden on it. Answer. Clean.